आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का उपयोग करके व्यवसायों को बदलना है। मिराई ट्रेडमार्क 24 एआई टेक इवेंट CXO कॉन्क्लेव भविष्य को फिर से परिभाषित कर रहा है। यह अनन्य, निःशुल्क, केवल आमंत्रण आधारित कार्यक्रम www मिराई इवेंट्स 5 जुलाई 2024 को दिल्ली के द ललित में आयोजित किया गया। एक निर्णय निर्माता के रूप में आपकी उपस्थिति हमारे साथी CXO या व्यवसाय और तकनीकी निर्णय निर्माताओं के समृद्ध समुदाय में शामिल। मिराई ट्रेडमार्क 24 में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की संभावनाओं का पता लगाएं, जो माइंड IT रजिस्टर्ड द्वारा आयोजित एक अभूतपूर्व तकनीकी कार्यक्रम है। हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की दुनिया में नवीनतम प्रगति, रुझानों और अनुप्रयोगों में गहराई से गोता लगाने के लिए तैयार हैं। मिराई पंजीकृत व्यापार चिन्ह 24 नई दिल्ली में एक अभूतपूर्व AI टेक इवेंट है, जिसमें कई उद्योगों के CXO शामिल हुए, जहां 10 बेहतरीन वक्ता ने साझा किया कि AI उनके उद्योग और व्यावहारिक उपयोग के मामलों और प्राप्त परिणामों को कैसे प्रभावित कर रहा है। चाहे आप एक अनुभवी पेशेवर हो या अपनी AI यात्रा की शुरुआत कर रहे हो, ये कार्यक्रम मूल्यवान अंतर्दृष्टि और नेटवर्किंग अवसरों का वादा करता है। उपस्थित समुदाय में दिल्ली NCR के 200 से अधिक CXO शामिल हैं, जो इस बारे में अपने ज्ञान को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं कि AI किस तरह से कल के व्यवसायों का निर्माण कर रहा है और सभी उद्योगों में होने वाले तकनीकी बदलाव के लिए भविष्य के लिए तैयार है। CXO के उद्योग के अग्रदूतों और विचारकों से सीधे जुड़े और आज हमारी दुनिया को नया आकार देने वाली रणनीतियों के बारे में अमूल्य जानकारी प्राप्त करें। जुलाई में होने वाले एक अभूतपूर्व AI टेक इवेंट मिराई पंजीकृत व्यापार चिन्ह 24 में शामिल हो और अपने व्यवसाय की बेहतरी और सफलता के लिए AI की असीम संभावनाओं को अनलॉक करें।
उसको समझना, इस लेवल पे अरेंज करना बड़ी अच्छी बात है। काफ़ी अच्छे स्पीकर्स थे, पार्टिसिपेशन भी बड़ा अच्छा था।
AI के बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
AI शुरुआत है और बहुत कुछ है करने को। ऑलरेडी ये दुनिया बदलने लग गई है। 1.5 साल में हमने बहुत बदलाव देखे हैं। अभी तो समय शुरू हुआ है, देखिए आगे आगे होता है क्या।
ये फ्यूचर में क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, क्या फ्यूचर है?
इट विल डेफिनेटली चेंज द वे हाउ वी वर्क। हम लोग ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट हो जाएंगे, ज़्यादा फास्ट हो जाएंगे, पर सिक्योरिटी और डेटा कंसर्न्स जो हैं उनको देखते हुए एथिकल AI विल बिकम मोर एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंट।
Manoj Jain. I work for Extria as Senior Director in the R&D division. Today I attended Mirai. It was a great event. We had a lot of learnings. There were various speakers from various backgrounds. There are a lot of learnings that I shared with the fellow speakers as well as the participants. AI is really going to change the game, and especially with Gen AI. And we are using Gen AI for our various engineering processes to improve the effectiveness as well as efficiency of the overall deliveries. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Deepthi Atul Goswami. We are the co-sponsors for the event that we are hosting today, Mirai. This is an event where we have invited industry experts with regards to trying to understand, decipher AI tools and AI platform and AI technology, how its usage is going to be impacting, affecting and making our lives better. It's really great to see from across the globe, because we had a representation from Abu Dhabi as well, as to how AI is making things really effective in our lives, and looking forward to what more it can bring on the table so that our businesses, our lives, everything around us, it just gets shaped in a better way by its help. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Vikas Tomar. I am operating from Dubai and running a company called 2Mars, and we are working in the space industry, and we're working extensively on AI and drones. And AI drones, and we are using for the one side we are using for the space industry. We are working with the Ministry of Dubai. Other hand, we are also working extensively right now with the Ministry of it's called MEWA, Ministry of Environment, Water and Agriculture in Saudi Arabia, where we introduce AI and drones for agriculture kind of things. So we are taking on both the sides of things, and I'll be happy to take any association from Indian companies to Saudi Arabia, Korea and Dubai especially. And I'm so happy to be here at Mirai, and this is like awesome. I see so many intellectual people here. This is like really amazing collection of people like here. I'll be happy to host most of the people here who are willing to take the market to the Middle East and Southeast Asia. Thank you so much for having me here.
I am Neeraj Gupta. I am founder of RG Travel Mart. We are an IATA certified travel agent, and we are an organizer and co-sponsor of the event. It's been a fun working with the Mind IT team putting this event together. and this is just the beginning. We are already working on the next event. Yeah, thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Rajiv from Target Icon. I am CTO and co-founder of Target Icon. We are a development company based in Noida, and we are dealing in custom mobile application development, website development, ERP, CRM, and currently we are focusing on AI and blockchain development. We have attended this event of Mirai 24, and it was a great event so far. We have been attending AI events for couple of months, and it was really a great experience. We have noticed that many people from different industries are joining these events, and networking platform is very nice, and we are already connecting with multiple peoples, which are great experience, and definitely it will improve our business altogether. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. I'm Captain Manmeet Chadha. I'm the CEO of Sun Hygiene Technologies. We are a company specializing in solar, EV and green hydrogen. We are very happy to be invited to this summit, Mirai by Mind IT. It's an event encompassing a very deep knowledge of AI and Gen AI by various stalwarts of the industry, and they have not limited themselves just to IT companies. There are people here from healthcare, people from space technologies, banks and fintech, in addition to companies from IT. So the perspective given by the speakers is very deep, very vast, and this helps us a lot in understanding the present applications of AI and the future growth prospects and its impact on the general business industry, especially in the IT sphere. In addition to that, they also encompass fintech, education, manufacturing, which will help enhance productivity in the coming future. I wish the entire team of Mind IT and Mr. Shailendra the best for future success. Thank you. Good day, friends. I'm Captain Manmeet Chadha. I'm the author of a book called 75 Innovations by India and Indians. A very remarkable book, that I must say, which encompasses various innovations done by Indians in the past, the present, which is in the last 100 years, and the future, which is going to rapidly and dramatically enhance the way the world moves forward. Many of the innovations that are covered in the book are used in the day-to-day life, which we do not give credence to Indians, and I hope this book will inspire every Indian to read and do their best to showcase their true potential in front of the world. Thank you.
मेरा नाम अमित आर अग्रवाल है। मेरा एक कंप्लीट एंटरटेनमेंट वर्टिकल है, और टैलेंट का महोत्सव जो है वो एक टैलेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि सब टैलेंट को वर्ल्ड वाइड मौका दे रहा है अपना टैलेंट दिखाने के लिए। यहाँ पर जो मिराई ने ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है एआई के ऊपर, मेरा आने का मकसद था कि कह रहे हैं कि एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री जो है वो एआई से काफ़ी प्रभावित होगी आगे चल के, और यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छे एंगेजिंग सेशंस सुनने को मिले, उनमें पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिला। आई विश मिराई ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर एवरीथिंग। थैंक यू।
My name is Nandini Marwa and I am the Chief Business Officer at the TC Group of Companies. We're an AI company. We create custom LLMs for other organizations. The event is really good. We are getting to talk to a lot of industry leaders. People are sharing their insights about the Gen AI world and are talking about the use cases that can happen in the industry. So all in all, the event is very well organized and it's really knowledgeable. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Chetan Bansiwal. I am co-founder and CEO of Samaj.ai. We are a real-time video analytics company. From traffic monitoring to Prime Minister security, we do everything. आज के मिराई 24 इवेंट में आई थिंक बहुत सारी चीज़ें कवर्स हुई, एप्लीकेशन से लेके गवर्नेंस तक। बहुत अच्छे स्पीकर्स ने अपने थॉट प्रोसेसेस और इनसाइट्स के बारे में बताया, और मुझे लगता है कि एआई भी इसी तरीके से आगे हमारे वर्ल्ड को रेवोल्यूशनाइज करने वाला है। लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस।
Hi guys, myself Amit Gupta, co-founder and CTO of Tolimately. So I'm basically attending Gen AI meeting organized from Mirai. It's an awesome event, awesome panelist, and we got to learn a lot from this. Thank you.
Myself Vineet Khatri from ATP Star. Today the event is really amazing. बहुत सारे entrepreneurs मिले हैं जो Gen AI के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं and industry is doing really well. बस हो गया.
मेरा नाम आशीष डोगरा है और मैं सीटीओ और को फाउंडर हूँ LH2 होल्डिंग्स में, और मैं इस इवेंट में आया हूँ. यहाँ पे बहुत ही नामी प्रोफेशनल्स हैं और बहुत अच्छी इन्होंने बातें बताई AI के बारे में. खासकर AI जो चीज़ें चेंज कर रहा है, बहुत सारी डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप्स निकल के आ रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे जो नेटवर्किंग इवेंट है वो भी बहुत अमेजिंग है. सो वी आर लाइकिंग इट वेरी मच. इसमें फ्यूचर प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स, इंडिया किस तरफ जाने वाला है और आगे कैसी कैसी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं फ्यूचर में, उसके बारे में काफ़ी चीज़ें समझने को मिली. सो इट वॉज ग्रेट.
हाय, माय नेम इज शशांक and I am the founder of Byteka Software Private Limited. So, first about AI. AI is here to stay. If you are not using AI at this time, you are missing on a lot of things. It can improve a lot of your work. It can make you efficient. It can make you fast. But it can also make you, it can it can disrupt your job as well. And that's it. Thank you.
I am Rahul Gupta and I am director at Adobe Systems. It's really a pleasure to come here. I can see a lot of speakers and I am taking home a lot of knowledge base to understand and take forward some of the things that I have learned here. Thank you.
Srivastav. I'm CEO of Ecomworld. It's a digital transformation company and we work with large corporations in energy, manufacturing, logistics and healthcare space. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers of this event. This was a very good event in terms of bringing together experts on AI and people who are working on AI to exchange views, understand what is the future direction, what are the challenges, and I look forward to such events in future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kanika. I'm one of the co-founders of Mind IT Systems and I take care of designs, customer collaboration in my organization. This event today went really well. It was a successful event because we had a good gathering and a good gathering of genuinely interested people who wanted to talk about AI and stay connected and explore how we can take AI further. So we as an organization aim to talk about this not only on one day and kind of bring it to a closure, but we want to have a regular conversation around it and see how we can help India transform from an AI perspective. So we'll be working with the working groups together because we truly believe the power of multiple people is a multiplier of a single person. So we'll be working on that and thank you for your support. Thank you.
आज Mirai 24 इवेंट AICXO कॉन्क्लेव हुआ. ये माइंड IT सिस्टम्स ने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया. मेरा नाम शैलेंद्र गुप्ता है. मैं को फाउंडर हूँ माइंड IT सिस्टम्स का. और मिराई बना इसलिए है कि जितने भी AI के एंथुजियास्ट हैं उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सके, उनको एक अवसर मिल सके कि वो इनोवेशन और नए नए तरीके के रचनात्मक प्रयोगों के बारे में समझ सकें और हम सब की हेल्प कर सकें कि इंडिया जो है वो आने वाले टाइम में $10 ट्रिलियन इकॉनमी बनने वाला है और AI की इनोवेशन जो है वो एक बहुत अच्छी कंट्रीब्यूशन करने वाली है इस काम के अंदर. और इसके लिए आज टोटल 250 लोगों से ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्री एंथुजियास्ट जो हैं इंडिया के और दिल्ली NCR के स्पेशली, वो सब आए मिराई 24 में और इस कम्युनिटी का पार्ट बने. हमारी आशा है कि हम सब आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ मिलकर के काम करेंगे और एक माइंड से 250 माइंड बहुत बड़े होते हैं और ये एक शुरुआत है एक AI अथॉरिटी इंडिया को पोजीशन करने की. और आपको और इसके बारे में हम जानकारी देते रहेंगे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
My name is Vikas. I'm a co-founder Mind IT Systems and CTO. I take care of the technology team in my company and we have just concluded our Mirai. So around 200 people came into this event and they have learned a lot and we try to share genuine content, genuine use cases to the people so that they can use, and we will trying to form a community of people there where each other can help each other to use the AI in their businesses, in their industries, in their domain. So to make sure that it is used in such a way it helps everybody in their businesses. So that is the intent of the Mirai. We're going to have this event yearly in different part of the country, even globally. And also we will be forming working groups where people can come together and work together to use AI in effective manner. Thank you.